Every conversation and every word and every dialogue is a frequency moving through our existence. Now can you create something to capture that sound? And they say they have. They say they have a device that can pick up frequencies and conversations. How do they tune it to pick up what conversation, from what year, from what dialogue? But the study of energy tells you definitely it's not destroyed. So that when we say Allah, it's infinitely moving and infinitely being rewarded upon the servant. And the same when you say something bad, that's infinitely moving and infinitely dressing the servant. So speak good, do your zikr, praise Allah, make your durood al-sharif, this will be all of eternity.